Okay, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our SLSU main campus center for our NC2 for CSS, or the Computer System Servicing. So, I am going to introduce the EC Manager, this the representative, and the Processing Officer from TESDA. So, let's start with Mr. Cielo, our Processing Officer. Sir. Thank you. JR Timog, our AC Manager. Thank you, sir. And Mr. Kane Dolfo, our AC Manager also. Thank you, sir. You're not going to worry about their presence because they are not here to assess you. I am the one to assess your computer system and NC2 because they're here to oversee the procedure and the process of our assessment today. Okay, good afternoon again. I'm going to introduce myself. So I am Cielo Maitem, and I am your assessor for National Certificate for Computer System Servicing NC2. So to verify my identity as assessor, I have here my ID as the proof of your being assessor for National Certificate in CSS NC2. So before we start, let's have our prayer. Mr. Nash, please stand up for a prayer. Okay, thank you. Before we continue to our assessment today, please, as I call your name, please come here in front and sign the attendance sheet. Nash Ibanez. Thank you. Joe Mark Talisaysay. Dency Dagasdas. Thank you. Mr. Arman Talisaysay. John Ray Rabago. And Jestoni Talisaysay. So thank you. So I have received your rating sheet, competency assessment result summary, candidate's guide, assessor's guide, answer sheet, written test, and the written report. I would like to welcome you again in our SLSU main campus center for our assessment for today. So today I'm going to administer the competency assessment for National Certificate for Computer System Servicing NC2. The qualification for taking CSS NC2 composed of three major concepts, which is the basic, the common, and the core competency. So we're going to accommodate the core competency for our assessment for today. So the core competency, we have install and configure computer systems, set up computer networks. Number 3 is the set up computer servers. And number 4 is maintain and repair computer networks. So these are the different tasks to be performed for the CSS NC2. So number 1 is assemble computer system. Number 2 is install network cables. And number 3 is set up users access, and so the last is the diagnose faults of computer system. We will collect the evidence through the demonstration, oral questioning, and written test. So we have written test later. So to determine your knowledge for the skills of computer system servicing NC2, the assessment methods that we use through the demonstration, oral questioning, and the written test will help us to determine and measure your knowledge and skill for that assessment. And for your personal needs, we have our comfort room outside the campus over there. And then for the location for our food, also beside the laboratory. Okay, so during our assessment, you are not allowed to go outside the laboratory room because it's not allowed to go outside. If you have necessary and important thing to do, you need to ask my permission. If you do have difficulties in taking the test or the demonstration and any instruction, do not hesitate to call my attention because I will want to give your needs and obligations. In case you have any regarding questions for your assessment result, you have the right to appeal at TESTA Provincial Office for the assessment or in the assessment center here at this LSU. So where assessors are accredited and they are the one to give your result and show it. So for any issues of your national certificate, the EC manager shall inform you through your active Gmail accounts. Once you are notified that your NC certificate is available, you can print it out and bring it to TESTA Provincial Office for the sealing and authentication of your assessment result. After the assessment, if you are found that you are not yet competent to your assessment, don't worry about it because you can retake your assessment anytime at your own convenience. In case that assessment is full qualification, you have to undergo the whole assessment. If you are found are competent in our assessment today, so the component in sum of units competency will reassess shall focus on the main assessment for your needed assessments. Also, if you have failed to conceive 2 consecutive assessments, you will advise to undergo refreshing courses before applying for your next another reassessment. During the actual assessment, please observe safety as you perform the different tasks. Make sure that you check electrical equipments before plugging it, and avoid plugging the cords and unplug the other electronics. So, with regards of your result assessment, we observe the strict confidentiality. We will give credential information to the owner or the authenticated person only, and to the institution where you get your actual training. And in relationship to this, the assessment package is kept to secure and guarantee your assessment result. May ask the candidates to refrain their giving way of information took place during the assessment process. I am going to have the specific instruction for our assessment today for the computer servicing NC2. So I will give you that as candidate's number for our assessment today. So I'm going to give you your candidate's number, okay? Mr. Jomar Talisaisa, your candidate number 1. And Mr. Dincy, your candidate number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. For our giving of feedback, I would like to have an individual feedbacking to make the confidential of your result for the assessment for our computer system servicing NC2.
Candidates will perform the demonstration to computer system servicing NC2 based on install and configure computer systems, set up computer networks, set up computer servers, maintain and repair computer networks. Assessor will observe and evaluate the candidate's performance of demonstration to computer system servicing based on the core competency. Candidate number 1, Mr. Jomar Talisaysay, congratulations, you demonstrated the excellent performance in today's assessment. Your handling of hardware configure, software installation, and troubleshooting was precise and efficient. You showed confidence, technical knowledge, and have followed all safety protocols correctly. Candidate number 2, Mr. Arman Talisaysay, well done. You have performed strongly throughout the task. Your cable management and system assembly were organized, and your software configuration was mostly accurate. A few small improvements in documents and time management will take your work even better.
Okay, let's have a written test today. So I have here the folder, and each one of you will receive the written test. Inside of their folder has the questionnaire and the answer sheet. I will distribute it one by one. Please put your name in the answer sheet.
Thank you.
As you receive the written test and the answer sheet, please answer quietly and do not disturb the other candidates.
The assessor conduct the written test to the candidates to make sure their level of knowledge for computer system servicing and C2.